A really simple example of how we can use phone call tags to create powerful automation sequences in Infusionsoft is a missed call campaign. Let's say we have a booking number for a hair salon where customers call to arrange their appointments with a consultant, and we want to ensure that if the incoming calls aren't answered or if the lines are busy, we're not missing potential bookings. In this scenario, whether it be an existing customer in our database or a totally new lead, we can apply a tag to that contact record which, in turn, can be used to trigger an Infusionsoft campaign. So, the first thing we're going to do is to create the new tag in the Invoco portal. Then, in Infusionsoft, we're going to start the campaign with a Goal Achieved tag and set it to the tag we've just created in Infusionsoft. Remember, if a tag already exists for a contact, it can't be applied again, so if you need this process to be repeatable, which in this case we do, the first thing we want the campaign to do is to remove this tag so it can be reapplied again in the future. The next thing we do is to create a very simple follow-up sequence, which could be a number of things. We could send an email to the client apologizing for missing the call and providing a link to an online booking system, or even better, send an HTTP post to a text messaging platform to send the client a text. Alternatively, we can simply create a task for a member of the team to call the client straight back to ensure that they complete that booking. Now, we need never miss a booking inquiry ever again.